Hello YouTube family, welcome back to my YouTube channel. We are back with another review video. This is an amazing type of video. We are going to discuss the name of the trading platform is Wix. We are introducing you to Wix Sport Pro as a major upgrade. Wix just dropped something big, the Sport Pro upgrade, faster trades, better execution and real-time power. Why Sport Pro matters, we will discuss this in detail as well, because it's contain trades per second 20,000. It's very fast. 3,000 plus trading pairs, real-time execution, low slippage, smooth user experience as well. Who should use it? High frequency trader, altcoin lovers, anyone who wants faster and more reliable trading, they will choose Wix as well. Also you can update your Wix app and register, also join events and win reward as well. We will move how to check their markets, future trading, sport, copy trade rewards as well. We will discuss this in detail. WWFC Wix World Future Competition is going on. You can check top both trading volume and profit report to grab 35% of the prize pool. It ends in 2 days and some hours. You can check the current numbers of participants, total trading volume and unlock prize pool as well. Here is their market protection fund, WXT Zone, become an elite trader, affiliate, official verification, carrier announcement center, Wix Crypto Wiki and Wix News, also VIP perks as well. You can check all the things one by one. Here is future trading, USDT and future dem trading, about future leaderboard as well. Here is their spot trading. We will discuss this in detail, copy trade and reward center as well. We will move below and check current price pool, my details as well. Here leaderboard is here, you can watch it carefully as well. Join team and win our reward as well. Team reward distribution is 100%, 20% will get by the leader and 10% from the top 10 members and 40% remaining is divided to the all remaining members as well. Here is their team side event rules. You can check it carefully. Also here is their Wix social, Facebook, Telegram, Instagram, X, LinkedIn, Discords and others as well. You can check their emails as well, how to cooperate with them, about compliance, products, services, sport and learn as well. We will check their sport trading and see what type of sport trading it is, also share details with you. I hope it's a good and amazing type of trading app. You can visit. Also our main topic is Sport Pro. We will discuss this in detail. Also check their chart, the chart of BTC. You can check their BTC chart and info as well. Here is their BTC chart. We will check their Sport Pro because it's an important topic for us. Also check their WE launch as well, also reward hub as well. We will move back and check their things as well. Here is their reward hub. You can check their popular event, new user, popular event, trending coin airdrop and daily spin as well. Here is their daily spin. You can also secure your account by 10 new user welcome bonus is 10 USD. Also future transfer, future trading deposit 20% and you will get a reward as well. Also their copy trading is going on. You can check their popular events. Here new user, also here is their popular events. We will check their popular events and trending airdrop coin and daily spins as well. Here is their trending coin airdrop. You can check one by one all the things as well. Daily spin is here. You can check their daily spin as well. We will check how to sign up. It's an important topic, how to sign up. You can sign up before signing, after signing up you can get a 20% of the deposit reward. A user focused exchange with security at its core. You can put your email or phone number here. Also put your referral code. It's given in my description. You can put here also you, if you have already account, you can log in this way. Thank you so much for watching my video. Wait for the next video. We will grow a good and amazing type of video for you next time. You can check here also protection funds, cryptocurrencies, global user leverage as well. Thank you.